In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ClickUp subscription. We'll walk through the exact path inside ClickUp so you can stop future charges and grab your invoices for your records. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage billing, typically as an owner or admin. Begin on the overview page of your workspace. This is the main hub where you land when you open ClickUp. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check the name at the top so you're not adjusting the wrong one. Next, open your workspace menu and head into settings. You can usually get there by clicking your workspace name or icon, then selecting settings from the menu. This is where ClickUp keeps all of your account level controls, including billing. Inside settings, select billing. The billing area will show your current plan, the number of seats, your payment method, and your renewal date. Take a moment to review these details so you know exactly what will be affected. Now, choose the plan you want to cancel. If you have more than one subscription or add-on, you'll see them listed here. Pick the specific plan you no longer need. When you choose to cancel, ClickUp may prompt you for a reason and ask you to confirm. This is normal. Confirming cancels future renewals for that plan. In most cases, your workspace won't be deleted and you'll retain access until the end of the current billing cycle. Annual and monthly plans can behave differently and refunds depend on your agreement and ClickUp's policy, so read any on-screen notes carefully. If your goal is to reduce the number of paid seats rather than cancel the entire plan, make sure you're selecting the option that matches your intent before you finalize. Double check you've selected the correct plan before you proceed. It's easy to click the wrong workspace or add-on if you manage multiple teams. Look for the plan name, seat count, and renewal date to confirm you're making changes to the right subscription. When you're done, go to Invoices. This section lets you view and download your past invoices and receipts, which is useful for expense tracking or audits. After cancellation, keep an eye on this area for confirmation on the next billing cycle and to save any final invoice. Download a copy now so you have a clean record of your changes. That's it. You started from overview, went into your workspace settings, opened billing, selected the plan to cancel, verified it, and checked invoices for your records. If you don't see billing, you likely don't have the right permissions, so contact your workspace admin. And if you change your mind later, you can re-upgrade from the same billing page.